If you haven't seen part 1 of our stash video, you need to see that first, but here's part 2. We're going to start with our 5-inch 60-gram canister shells. Over here we start with Night Gallery, the 5-inch Pyro Predator, Kong, King of the Canister. I'm really excited about this one too. Pyro Nation's Jawbreakers. And this one I haven't seen a whole lot of demos of, but like I said, I love superheroes, so I had to get Power of Thor by Supreme Fireworks. And finally we got what appears to be everybody's favorite, the Death Shell. And I don't know if this is the 2018 version or the 2019, but I'm hoping, I've heard that 18 is better than 19, but I'm hoping that either way I will be impressed, because I think I will. Next we have a little bit of ball shells and canister shells. We have some artillery shells by Dragon that I am looking forward to. That's enough said. Then we have Great Grizzly's Premium Color Changing 6-shooter. And Smoke and Mirrors. I've always wanted these. Finally got them. I only got a 6 canister shell case, but can't wait to shoot those off. Then we have Willows. Hopefully you've heard about them. If you haven't, I will let you know if I like them. I'm sure we are going to. And finally, no Boom Dad can have fireworks without having Boom Man. So we're going to try this one out. I've seen it on the shelf a number of times in other videos, and I thought, I gotta get it. So I did. Finally, I'm going to show you just some of the novelties that we have here. We have some zebra crackers, some bunker bombs by Showtime, Red Devil super firecrackers, Maximum Blast Super Loud. And we have the Black Cat 65th Anniversary Limited Edition Color Firecrackers. We have some M80 brand supercharged firecrackers. They're not M80s. We got Cherry Bomb brand Flash Salute supercharged firecrackers. And we got the Safe Cracker. We got some Monster Snaps, which are just the regular snaps. And we have Sumo Snaps by Red Apple. Cherry Boom Snaps, Torpedo, and Snaps on Steroids. Finally, we have Black Cat, Big Tom Thumbs, Jumping Jack Fireworks, Jumping Jacks, and I'm excited about this one, Thunderbomb. This looks like a little older brick here. So, looking forward to shooting off this little stuff. I'm not worrying about collecting it. If you got it, shoot it. That's my philosophy. Next, we have a few more small items here. We've got the 7-bullet Russian Roulette by Black Cat. Saw those with Cody B. We got some B-3 bombers with report, so I don't know if they're anything special. They're by Dominator. Haven't tried anything by Dominator, so I got them. We got the Buzzbanger by Supreme Fireworks. I wanted the big brand, but I couldn't find it, so we settled for these. Then we have some Canon brand Giant Mammoth Smoke. We have Hammer Cracker. I don't think these are the old ones, the good ones, because I see the fuse at the end, not in the middle. We have Blast Crackers, which I expect to be loud. I hope so. And then we have Kryptonite. Saw those with Insea. And Boombox. First saw those with Cody B. Looking forward to those. Been looking for those for a while. And then we have the Big Pro Strobe by Big Fireworks. We did find Big Brand there. And I think Rob had those with Pyronation.